Making money abroad is one of the easiest way, um, to make it in this life. And most of the times, people with colored person and people from Africa, sometimes we are limited, to most of the chances and most of the opportunities because of one, either our skin color, or two, because of where we are from. If today is your first time here on this channel, my name is Jeffrey. I'm the founder of this channel. On this channel, I'm trying to educate my fellow brothers and my followers here and my fellow sisters, from Africa, and people with skin color, problems, and people who are willing, to move to abroad to make it. I'm here to educate, and give all the information I know for them to make it. So if today is your first time here on this channel, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Help me to grow this channel so that it will reach our other, brothers out there. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to share it with your friend or your brother, to watch it. Today I wanna, the main topic today is about how to make about $3,000 as an ESL teacher from Africa. But about all this topic, I'm gonna involve other topics about, how to make it abroad, and how to attach certain things to your life to make it easy for you. We all know that being born in Africa, and with our skin color, most of the times you're gonna encounter a lot of problems, but even not being with skin color, with the passport, the passport being from Africa, sometimes you're gonna encounter a lot of problems, a lot of challenges, like getting visa to where you would like to go, a whole lot of things. So if you are here on this channel, don't forget, as I said earlier, to subscribe, and let's grow this channel to educate our fellow friends and our brothers out there. I was typically born in Africa. I was born in Ghana, but through this traveling, I have been able to try my best to acquire dual citizenship in Brazil, and fully acquiring fully citizenship for my daughter in Brazil. So she's 100% Brazilian, even without African dual citizen. I haven't applied for it for her yet, but I will do it in future, And moving to China, getting to almost 10 years now, I've been teaching. That is all what I've been doing. I haven't been doing anything else. And when I moved to China, those days I was earning like around $300 to $400. But right now I'm earning even times, okay, let me say it, I'm earning more than $3,000, in between $3,000 to $4,000 per month, as my salary, with my free accommodation. If you haven't watched my free Lakers accommodation, please kindly go and watch it. It's so nice, this is where I stay, and my apartment is so nice, but I'm not paying anything, before, as a teacher back home, I was earning almost $100 a month. So when I moved to China, that time I was earning like $300 to $400. I was super happy, and I try to just do all that I can so that I can earn better salary. And here I am today. I'm earning better salary. Sometimes when you tell people back home, they might not believe, how is it possible as somebody, because most of my friends know me as an African, how is it possible to be an African and earning such amount of money, in China? And how is it even possible with your skin color? There are other things when you do and attach it to your life, no matter who you are, no matter where you are from, no matter your skin color, is gonna pave way, chance, for you, opportunities, and it's gonna help you to grow your life. That is how I want to put it. So when I moved to China, I was using all my certificates were from Africa. So I met someone who tried to help me and give me some advice that if you want to make it in China, try to attach some certificate from America to your resume. So I did my diploma from America, and I got my TFL certificate and TELSO. So with that, I started to use it to apply for jobs, and from $400 to $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, $3,000, and more. And I'm very grateful with that of my friend advice. So today, if you are watching this video and you want to earn about $3,000 as an ESL teacher, you want to move to either China, Cambodia, Vietnam, Japan, South Korea, wherever you want to go. Most of these countries, they don't pay a lot, just like in Vietnam. As an African teacher, you're gonna earn the maximum salary, I know, like gonna be like $2,000 to $3,000, but it's okay. If we compare these salaries, to even our lecturers back home, our even ministers back home, it seems like we are earning quite similar like the way they are earning there. But our life here is comfortable. That is it. So if we compare like Cambodia, Vietnam, and China, all these places, the salary not gonna be the same. But if you want to earn a better salary, if you have a degree from back home, let me answer this question first. Not all Africans. Yesterday, my friend from South Africa called me. We were working at the same school where I changed, and he called me, Jeff, I got an offer and they are going to give me $7,000. Maybe you won't believe this, but he got it, and it's true. They are going to pay him $7,000. South African passport is one of the most powerful passport in Africa. And when you are holding a South African passport, when you are teaching abroad, they treat you as a native teacher, And he has been here like 4 years, with that experience, So with that, he got that offer just yesterday, and I was so happy for him, I wish I could have South African passport, and trust me, if I'm supposed to have passport like South African passport, American passport, Canadian passport, like Australia, those native countries, I will forever retire in Asia, not even in China alone, but in Asia, like Japan, South Korea, even China is good, because these countries, they are really growing, and they are becoming more powerful than most of the Western countries. So if I have this kind of passport, then definitely if I retire in Asia, it's okay. I don't need to, worry. But since we don't have most of the powerful passport, we are still trying, to make it and go and get some of the powerful passports, so that we will come back to Asia in future or not. So that is by the way, so he got this offer, $7,000, and that is it. And for me, unlike holding South African passport, even though we are all from Africa, so if you are from Africa and like you are from let's say like those from North Africa, they are okay because of their skin color, like from Morocco, Algeria. If you move to China, even though they are not native speakers, but at least they're gonna get better salary after a year, and like if you're holding South African passport, then that is all, you are a native speaker. But others like from Congo, from Zambia, Zimbabwe, Ghana, Nigeria, when you come to China, even some people will tell you it's not easy to come and get jobs. Some people will tell you it's not possible. But we did it, and we are still moving ahead, So what I want to tell you is that do this. This is what I did, and I'm still moving forward. Try your best and get TEFL certificate. I mean TEFL certificate or TESOL certificate. And don't get it from Africa. Don't do it in Africa. I will not advise you. Even not in South Africa. Don't do it there. Try to get it from either the UK, America, Canada, Australia. Get it from any of these countries. And if it's possible, even if you are still studying, you're doing your degree, your first degree or whatever, try your best, your possible best, and get like a diploma, from any of these countries I mentioned, either from America, the UK, from anywhere. Try all that you can to get it. If you get a diploma from these countries, irrespective of the passport you are holding, it's gonna be easy for these schools to apply for a working visa for you. The problem here is not because of being from Africa. Sometimes because of the qualifications, it make it difficult for them to apply for a working visa for you. So because of that, they don't want to hire most of the African countries, teachers. But if you do your best and, you get like a diploma from these countries, because of the certificate, it's gonna, improve your score to make you like half native, half non-native, So if you have these requirements, trust me, maybe your first offer gonna be not higher like $1,000 to either $2,000, but after you gain the experience in China or in Asia, wherever you are, your next offer gonna be higher. You get what I mean? So this is what you should try to do. First, do your best and get a certificate from any of these native countries. If you have a native country certificate, then that is the best. And this is one of the funny things, with our accent. Like for me, I don't, even been in China for quite a long time, I don't have good accent, So what you can do is that try to improve your accent, try as much as possible as you can. We don't have better teachers back home, so most of the times it do affect our accent. And because like sometimes most of the countries or even our people we live with them, we don't speak English every day, so it always affects us. So if you do that and you try to improve your accent and get a certificate from any of the native countries, it's gonna push you higher to get a better job. If you do this, it doesn't matter with your skin color. Some people are going to turn you down, but with prayers and everything, you're gonna get your own. So I have suffered a lot in China, but with this, it has helped me and it has made my life better. I can't imagine where I would be if like I didn't take that of my friends' advice and I didn't do that. Life could have been maybe hard and tougher for me. As we all know what is happening in Africa, it's very hard to live and make it, as a young man, or as a young lady. All the money is going to the politicians and so on. So try to do this, and you can travel abroad and make it. If you have this, it's going to help you to make it huge. And why is it that I'm trying to tell you to go and teach and get this money? When you travel to Europe, to work, it's not bad. But most people in the European countries are going to get like around 800 to maybe 1,500 euros or pounds, But, they are working a lot of hours. But when you come to China, like you are working less, like teaching 4 hours a day and you are making that money. So it's better for you not to struggle and other things. That is why I'm advising people, to try and travel abroad and make it, So if you have what I was trying to tell you, try to make sure that you're gonna gain some experience from back home. Like try to just offer yourself to some school, teach. If they are not paying you a lot, it's okay. And it's not going to be only being an English teacher. You can be a math teacher. I have one Ghanaian friend who is even got offer for them to pay him like almost $4,000 to $5,000, and he's going to teach science, because he majored in science. So it's not only going to be like being an only just English teacher. You can teach science, math, like art, or whatever you want to teach. Just try to do your best and get like any certificate from those of the native countries. And when you get that and you attach it to your certificate and your resume and with your experience, you're gonna do it. You can make it. Don't be shy. During the interview, just watch some of my interview videos and the tips I gave, and do your best. Even though you might be shy, but try to fake it until you make it. Try to, don't let them see like you are shy. After that, you just go to your bedroom and breathe, and go to your bathroom and take a nice shower. So that is it. It's not difficult. You can come and make it. We did, and you can also. For most of my next videos, I'm trying to I will try to make other videos for those who want to try to get a second passport, for their kids and for their families, or for for themselves, because having a second passport, it also always pave a way for you. For me, all these breakthroughs also happen after getting my dual citizenship from Brazil and everything. So for those who want to travel to some countries to get like second passport, either through giving birth, going to get married, or through an investment, wait for that episode. I'm preparing a lot of videos for that. And then those who even don't know, even though our African passport cannot travel to most countries, but we have some countries you can take your African passport and still go there for free. So most people don't know where they can travel with their what they call their African passport. So I'm also preparing a lot of videos for that, and gonna educate you which of the countries you can travel with your African passport easily, get visa easily, and make it easily. So wait for those videos. Is gonna come very soon. If today is your first time here, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Comment below. Always comment below and let me know what kind of video you are expecting. What is bothering you. I will do whatever research I can, and I'll bring the video out for you to watch it and get knowledge about it. So always comment below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Don't forget to share it with your friends so that it will help them. That is all for today. Really appreciate your time and everything. Bye bye. Zai Jen. See you next time. Ciao ciao. Bye bye.